Welcome to UCme training. In this training session, you will learn how to install UCme and configure it and use it. The first thing to do is head to www.telair.com.au and then scroll to the bottom of the website and you will get to download brochures and guides. In here, you can download UCme for iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows, or Mac. As we're on Windows, I'm going to download the Windows version. Once you've clicked that, it'll drop to your downloads and please open it. You can see that my UCme is downloaded to my downloads folder and just double click to install. Please read through the license agreement and then accept it if you are happy, hit install. You will need admin privileges to do this, so you may need to get some admin details if you're not an administrator of your machine. Once complete, just hit finish and you will see now that there is a Telair UCme icon on your desktop. Double click that.